Welcome everyone. This is Roshan Hansda, and I am from this Century Law Firm, and I am here to give you some insight about the laws governing our election. As a common citizen, why we are discussing this topic? We should know what are the laws which govern our election. So there are two laws which are essentially governing our basic principle of this democratic country, that's election. What are those? Those are Constitution of India 1950 and Representation of People Act 1951. Constitution of India 1950. The chapter 15 discuss all the articles which are related to the election. Article 324, Article 325, Article 326, Article 327, Article 328, and also Article 329. These are all the articles which generally give us the basic knowledge about election. Article 324 gives us the basic knowledge of what is Election Commission of India, who are their members, what it does, what are their powers, what are their duties, and what are the tenure of the members of the Election Commission of India. This all is given in Article 324. Article 325 gives us the basic concept that there will be no inclusion or exclusion of members or citizens of this country on the basis of sex, caste, religion, and place. Article 326 gives us the basic principle of adult suffrage. What is adult suffrage? Adult suffrage gives us the basic age, the minimum age that is needed for conducting an election. Article 327 is the power of the parliament to make provisions in election, and Article 328 power of the legislature to make provisions regarding the election, and Article 329 is the power of judiciary to come interfere in the process of election. These are all the articles which gave us the basic knowledge of Election Commission of India, and their powers, their members, and all the provisions that can be amended, made by the Parliament and the legislature. The Representation of People Act 1951. It is divided into 5 parts. First part is basically give us the scope and the extent, and it also gave us the definition. The second part gave us the allocation of constituency and delimitation. Part 4, electoral roll for constituency, that is council constituency. Part 4A, manner of filling of seats of council of states by the representative of union territories. These are all the laws, all the sections, all the statute which give us the basic idea of what is election, how it is conducted. The third basic important part of the election is the model conduct. What is model of conduct? It is also known as in Hindi Achar Sanhita. It is the ethical way how elections should be conducted, how it is to be brought to the main public, and how the political parties needs to or avoid the things that can hamper the votes by illegal practice or corrupt practices. This is all the model of conduct says about. For example, what is model of conduct? We can surely understand by this the religious institutions are not to be used in the time of election for their vote campaigns or anything. So this all I want to say about the election. I want to give you the insight. I want to share it with you. I am here, Roshan Hansda, telling you about all this to give you the basic knowledge to understand why the election is being conducted. And as a common citizen, we should know. Thank you, friends, to listen to me and hope you enjoyed.